To enable battery protection on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down and then search for the battery option. Over here in battery we should be able to find the battery protection, so we can go over here and then we have two battery protection options. We have the standard battery protection and intelligent charging. If you want to turn off battery protection, you can choose charge fully. In the case of battery protection, we just have the 80% charging limit, and that is all. If you use intelligent charging, then the phone can try to learn your charging habits, when you charge your phone, how long you charge it, when you unplug the charger, and so on and so forth. And then once it gathers enough information, it can try to predict when it is supposed to charge from 80% to 100%. So when you start charging the phone, it limits to 80%, and then in advance, when it recognizes that you will soon unplug the charger, it can allow the phone to charge all the way to 100%. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.